Okay, so for our Reader's Theater scripts, you want to be the cat and you want to be Deb. And then who wants to be the pig?
Me.
Okay, so you'll be both the animals and you'll be both the people. So how a script works is that here it shows you when it's your turn to speak, and then over here it shows you what you say. So every time it's Deb or Sam talking, it's your turn to speak. And anytime it's the cat or the pig talking, it's your turn to speak. And then sometimes it says teacher. Okay, should we give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, so who's the first one to read?
Dad, I am mad.
Deb, why are you sad?
Sam hit my leg.
Sam, why are you mad?
Deb ran.
Sam, Deb ran because you hit her. I think you should go play with your animals now. Good. So the cat says, "Hi, Deb."
Hi, Deb.
And what does the pig say?
Hi, Sam.
And then the cat says,
Deb, we will.
"Toss," like throw.
Toss the ball.
Good.
Bat.
At. Good. And then what does the pig say?
Sam, we will catch the hat.
Nice job with those sounds. Okay, cat and pig, play safely with Deb and Sam and have fun. So that was our first reading. So when we do Reader's Theater, we can do it a few times and we want to get into it, like if we're acting. Like when Sam says, "I am mad," what kind of voice might you say that in?
I am mad.
Yeah. And when Pig says, "Hi, Sam," with an exclamation point, how are you going to say that, Pig?
Hi, Sam.
Beautiful. So this is something we can keep practicing, and maybe we could even make costumes or props and act out the story too.
What about we use do you have any toys like that? And then we could use the toys.
I love your thinking, Addie. We could totally use the toys to say the words.
Or we can like what about we use like the doll as the teacher and like we could use the fish as like the pig.
We could also probably just like draw a picture of a cat and a pig and put it on popsicle sticks or something.
Yeah, we can make like a little box, but we can turn it into a puppet theater.
I love your ideas. All right.